Morning.
It's not just your kids down here.
Okay, Daddy. Grandpa.
Yes, dear.
Here's your breakfast.
Thank you for the breakfast. Thank you, Lenny. Oh, do you have to bring that up all the time?
I do.
Where's Daddy's hugs, guys?
Thank you, dear.
Okay, this is going to take a second.
Oh, God.
I know. That's going to take him a second to read.
Well, you had to make him read. He just woke up.
Right?
Yeah.
Paragraph.
You might as well turn that off.
Oh no, we can't do that.
Just take your time.
Believe me, it'll be worth it.
I'm not taking no one. He just woke up.
Evacuated.
Hey,
Let Daddy read, guys.
Like evacuated.
He's like me, flunked his speed reading courses.
yeah, I don't figure it. That's why I told you just go ahead and cut that.
I'm gonna go take a nap.
I'm not even halfway yet, so.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna. Here, I'll stay.
Got one other
Okay.
place.
Oh yeah. What are you tapping me for? You put them papers back up there and block the light.
The only time you ever thanked me for being drunk.
I knew that's the part you were at.
Thank you, babe.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Father's Day.
Anniversary and Father's Day and all that above.
There's a donut in there.
Okay, come on.
Go. Go, go, go. It's not over yet.
Back up.
All the kids back behind Daddy.
Happy birthday
Oh,
to
good Lord.
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Don't play with my emotions.
Troy.
Don't play with my
Happy
emotions.
birthday. It was yours the whole time. I brought it down here for you.
No way.
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Troy. I picked it out just for you. Did I do good? That's your truck. Troy, go see your truck.
This is a lot to just wake up to.
Go see your truck.
You better not be fooling with me. I can tell by that look that would be a grave mistake.
That's your truck, honey. Look what you get to go shooting in today.
We're not taking that shooting in. They're always not going to take that off.
Bet your ass I am.
Ah! It's loaded.
It is loaded, I'm telling you. It's even got a needle in the seat to poke you and wake you up.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
I want to know how you got in it, Candace.
It's got a cartridge.